today's video, I will tell you how the course is. You already aware about I designed a data engineering course, how it will help you all of the people who ever want to grow in the data community. Maybe you are from a new to the data community, or maybe you are already working as a data engineer or Azure data engineer. How this course will help you? Because I designed this course for it took almost 3 to 4 months of time to design the complete curriculum. Because what are the things I'm searching everywhere, what are the important things we need to add in the thing, because once we complete this course you will become an expert Azure data engineer or data engineer in this field. So that will be the ultimate aim. When I'm looking on that one, I found that Python is important, PySpark is important when you're working in the Databricks side, and SQL is very important. Then coming into the ADF, means Azure Data Factory, to the movement of data, Databricks, Synapse side, different storage account, and different other various component, function app, Azure function. So these are important when you are dealing with the daily life. And I think like that I added DSA also, because as a good programmer, as if you know about data, DSA means data structure and algorithm. It is simple, but only we need some kind of initiative how this kind of things are working. For example, array has a lot of demand in the corresponding when you design a product, when you're thinking in an architect level. So this will also help you in your future. If you are already experienced, this course definitely help you. If you are not experienced, that people also definitely help this, because we are dealing with the DSA, and every day we are solving one Python problem, one SQL problem. So that means after the 4 months you will be completing 120 or 150 problems for the complete 4 months. So that is the good part of this course. That means every day, because consistently we are doing this program, you will become expert to solving these kind of things and all. You clear, right? That is the reason I think I'm just created this course, and the details, coming details, definitely I will be uploading in the coming days also. Thank you.